Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to set up private space. In the beginning, let's go to settings on your smartphone and next find private and private space. Now enter device and data protection, save, enable, create safe, enter password and confirm the password. And now private space is enabled. In private space you can keep your images, audio, video and file. You can add them here. And manage them. In settings you can change password, security question, switch save or change save location. Also you can destroy save. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.